probably seen these before. This is kind of like the starter set for getting your kids involved in kitchen stuff, and you can get these just about anywhere. But I've never seen a full kit laid out like this with so much fun stuff to introduce kids into the processes of the kitchen. We are a Montessori family. Does that mean that everything in my house is Montessori? Hell no. Our kids do go to Montessori school, and we like to pick up the practices that we can just so that they develop those life skills. Well, this is the Montessori style kids kitchen set. We've been familiar with the types of tools in this for years now. It has come to my attention that not everyone knows about this stuff. So I got the kit. So here's what we have. 2 cutting boards. Nice and thin, easy for them to carry around. They are flexible, but not flimsy. I can keep this level. It's going to be able to hold some things without falling like paper. These are your standard plastic knives. They have a nice rubber grip. We've got them in 3 different sizes. You see this? I can feel this. It's sharp, but it's not cutting me. I've never seen that little size before. That's very cool. It's like a little paring knife so they can start to learn how to peel. It's not cutting me, but yes, it does cut vegetables, fruits, all of that. A plastic vegetable peeler, does it work? It actually does. And it rotates like a normal vegetable peeler. This part is actually quite sharp, but again, it's not cutting me. Might be exfoliating them. 4 little stamper cutouts. Kids freaking love stamping things into shapes. So you put this in front of a kid with a few slices of cheese, boom, they're making lunch. This is awesome. This is something I actually use on a very regular basis. You can use this for slicing cheese, hot dogs, fruits, vegetables, sandwiches, you name it. This actually is metal and it does have a blade on it. But this great grippy handle allows them to use this extra strength to push down and gives them that feeling of success that they can actually chop things up. And this is just, look how cute he is. It's a little alligator. So there you have it. Montessori kids cooking set. If you know anybody with young kids, and I'm talking toddler on up, this is an amazing functional gift for them that will be used.